Alright y'all, this time around we've got Twinkle Toes by K1 Locks. Twinkle Toes. Sometimes I wonder how people come up with the names and if there's a story behind it, and I think Twinkle Toes, I'm going to leave that one alone. But K1 Locks. Okay, let's get centered at least. Alright, this one here, I did try this one a minute ago for the first time just to give it a try. There's a bitting on the key. It's really, I'm sure it works. Well, okay, it works. It's really nasty. Not too tricky, to be perfectly honest. I just noticed, well, let's just show you. Really, it seems all you got to do. I'm going to go, let's go clockwise. And we'll go counterclockwise. It's really just, well, let's do it. Shove everything up. Shove everything up. All right, clockwise. Counterclockwise. I literally just put the pick in there and I just shoved everything up. And old Twinkle Toes just opened right up. Show them, Twinkle Toes. Okay, yep. So now I dropped the one in the back. See that deep false set? It's got some kind of T-pin action or something. There we go. Just like that. Okay. So yeah, I guess I'm going to have to guess T-pins. So let's get this bad boy apart and find out. Bada boom, bada bing. That's how we do that. Alright. Let's get backed out a little bit here. And see what we got inside. I gotta guess, like I said, I'm usually wrong, but we'll guess anyways. We do got a key so we can lock it back up. Get that clip off the back. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. Nice. Alright. Yeah, that's nasty. I will use a shim if we can get one through there. Oh, the humble 5-pin quick set. Oh boy. Oh yeah, it's chock full of nastiness too. Yep. Overset trap in one. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, nice work on the pins. And 4. And 5 looks like a standard. And get some eyes on. And the core is all threaded. All threaded. Well played. Okay. Let's do this. Let's see what we got upstairs. Oh yeah. Really deep serrations in that first one. Really deep. Really nice. Nastiness. That's like 3rd degree nastiness. Same in number 2. Yep. Let me separate these a little bit. I think we got, yep, we've got a 2-piece pin action right there, number 3. Pokey. That was 3, so. Alright, the spring's in there. It's just probably stuck on that deal. I'm not going to destroy it getting it out, but it's there. 4. And 5. Oh yeah. I have to guess another 2-piece of number 5 because we got like a, what looks like maybe part of a, yep, drunken spool in number 5. And the spring. Well played. I guess that other spring's staying in there. Nicely done. K1 locks. Nicely done, sir. Alright. Close up right quick on these bad boys right here. Yeah, buddy. Alright, key pins. We've got this kind of serrated spoolie action on this one because that's going to, you set that up too high and it's going to feel like it's set right there. So, well played there. Serrated in 2, standard in 3, serrated in 4, standard in 5. Drivers, really nice, sharp, deep serrations in 1. Same thing in number 2. Now this one looks like it's been beat up a little bit. Now 3's got this 2-piece with a sharp, this sleeve's got actually a serrated end on it right there that's nice and sharp too. So really cool. And then 4's going to act like a spool, sort of. You can set into that. And then 5, drunken spool. Well played. Awesome. That was again, what was it again? Twinkle Toes by K1 Locks. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe or you're crazy. And if you liked the video, as always, give it a thumbs up. Alright, Big Al, signing out.